Good afternoon, traders. We are 17th of August, currently 1:10 p.m. in the UK, and this is episode 5 of the 51362 EMA strategy. Now, if you've been following along the last video, we went through the alerts set up throughout the pairs that I was currently looking at. I've paid for the basic plan of TradingView, which enables us to have 20 alerts, and to take full advantage of those alerts, I have now set up a number of them on Bitcoin, EURUSD, US30 and gold. And it has been a crazy week with these alerts going off and catching these crazy moves, and it's been such a positive thing that I've been excited to share this new video with you for this strategy. So I did post some of these trades that I caught on the Telegram channel, which is the Trade Masters. The first one that I posted was on US30, always looking at the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, I bought here and I bought down here. I mentioned that I was bullish on US30. We did have a few taps to the 62 EMA. You could have sold there, could have made some money on a short downtrend here, just a very short momentum, but overall I was bullish. But if you see this wick here, it took out this low there and we was on the buy, and then we did have the 513. There wasn't a crossover actually, but the crossover happened here, which I bought there. But here we are still bullish overall. And then if I come to the trading view, so we bought around here. This is that wick that took these guys out. Bought here, and as you can see, this is a massive move that was caught. Unfortunately, on the way up, we did not get a pullback or liquidity grab that would have tapped the 13 EMA to go in for a buy, but we got in right on the 513 EMA crossover, so bought here and also bought around here. Lovely move. That's a crazy move to catch, and it's all good. Like, really happy with that trade. Another thing that I was going to check out was the bar replay. So once you've paid for TradingView basic plan, you do get the bar replay. It does say that this is not available for this chart type, and unfortunately you cannot use it with Heikin-Ashi. You cannot use it also if we go to learn more. It does not let you at this moment in time to use the bar replay for these chart types, which is a little bit annoying because it would have made it a little bit better to show you before and after using the bar replay. But if we go to the traditional candlesticks, if I was to do bar replay, say from here, and I mentioned that I was bullish, so you just press play there, and then you can speed this up. And I don't know why that stops now. Okay, here we go. So it would have been cool to show you the results of when you buy or when you sell, and then the bar replay shows you whether if the trade basically played out or it did not play out, and in this case it did play out. So bar replay is really cool, but unfortunately cannot use it in the Heikin-Ashi, so it is what it is. Next trade was the what was the next one? EURUSD. So EURUSD went in for a buy because of the 513 EMA crossover, which happened here. And also the alert would have gone off because there was a liquidity grab. So the 13 EMA alert did go off as well. So if we go to EURUSD, let's jump over to Forex, EURUSD. So the alert was just after the 62 EMA tap. So we had the 62 EMA was tapped. You had the alert on the 62 EMA. You could have gone for a buy there. And then you had the 513 EMA crossover here. And then also the liquidity grab, the pullback. So you could have gone in for a buy there. And this was a crazy move again to catch. So just getting in for a buy there. That's pretty much 120 pips that was caught alone on that trade. So really, really good move. Really happy with that trade. Moving on to gold. And a little bit on the riskier side, going for a sell above the 62 EMA. However, because price was at a very high point, you buy low, you sell high. I thought I'm just going to catch the sell off from the top. So I did go in for a sell on gold. And if we jump to gold, let's just jump straight to gold. So I sold around here. And then I caught this move down, take profit on the 62 EMA. And then the 62 EMA price crossed through that. So you could have gone in for a buy right here and caught this beautiful move here to finish off the week. A beautiful, beautiful trade on gold. There was also the 513 EMA crossover, and there was also a kind of, I wouldn't say that's a liquidity grab because price didn't go any lower. However, the EMAs would have gone off for the crossover, and the EMA would have gone off because this candle was starting to go bearish, and then it's just turned and closed bullish. So multiple opportunities to get in for a buy. The alerts all go off, so you don't have to stare at the charts all day. You just look at your phone whenever the alerts go off. Bullish because we're above the 62 EMA. Beautiful, beautiful trade on gold. Now we're just finishing up on the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin. I posted this again in the Trade Masters Telegram group. Again, Trade Masters is completely free to join this group. I will post up my trades that I'm in, my markups, and you can look at the history of this. It is confirmed that if you, doesn't matter when you join the group, you can just look straight away back of the history of all the trades, which is a good way of training your eye to kind of see where I'm getting in the market, where you should get in the market, and how you should forward test this strategy. So Bitcoin, the reason why I sold here was because, let's just jump straight to crypto, Bitcoin, and So price is kind of going sideways. There was this liquidity grab here, took out this high there. Price has started to go down. We had the 513 and the 62 EMA crossover happen. So I sold there. Take profit was, I believe, here as take profit 1. And I did have a take profit 2 here if this was going to continue on bearish, which it probably might do. It's just currently floating just below the 62 EMA, but I sold here. Take profit 1 was smashed. Price actually come up. It's gone through the 13 EMA, this bullish candle here, so you could have sold there. And then price actually come up and it tapped the 62 EMA, so you could have sold there. And then price just slammed down, smashed through the take profit, and that was a beautiful trade. So let's just go to the next one. As you can see, take profit was smashed just on this low here. So overall, a really good week with this trading strategy, and all the alerts that went off were fantastic. So highly recommend the basic package with TradingView if you wanted to do this trading strategy. I have tested, actually not sure if I've properly tested, but there is the alerts for CTrader. However, I haven't tested the CTrader alerts, but I think that the TradingView alerts are much better. So if you wanted to go for the basic package, then please feel free to use my affiliate link, which will be listed in the description. Once you signed up with that affiliate link, I really appreciate that. It will help the channel. And then you get the basic package with the 23 alerts. Set them all up how I've got them set up. If you refer back to the previous video, you will see how to do that. But these are all my current alerts here. And yeah, really looking forward to next week. This has been a really good week. As you can see, the proof's in the pudding. The results are there. And it's literally just a case of just pressing buy or pressing sell when the criteria hits. Now, I'm going to be keeping the video short and sweet, but really good week. Really happy with all these trades. Appreciate you jumping on, and I will see you in the next one.